The third type of the signal bar is the inside bar with the same direction. So because inside bar with the same direction most of the time will show the start of the trend. For the inside bars, basically the first bar is already very good signal bar, but it is not triggered. And then the second bar should be an inside bar, but with the same direction. If that is the case, you want to enter with the inside bar rather than the first bar, because you're going to have more profit. Let me show you an example. On this chart, let's take a look at the setup. First, it is a V reversal. So basically here, this high is higher than this high, or even if you see this high is higher than this minor high. So this is a V reversal setup. We wait for the pullback. So here comes the pullback with 2 consecutive bear bars. Then when you see this bull bar, it is a very good signal bar. You want to put your entry at the top of this signal bar. However, you can see the next bar, it didn't trigger the entry. Instead, the second bar is an inside bar. So here you can enter at the top of the second bar, the inside bar. So basically, if you enter at the top of this inside bar, you're going to have a lower level as the entry. So that means you have a more profit than you enter at the top of this bar. So this is the characteristic of the inside bar as a signal bar.